This video looks at how to complete a simple regression. So here you can see I've got SPSS open and I've copied in some new data. So I've got 3 variables, all from a group of children at the beginning of secondary school. So I have scores on a receptive vocabulary test, an expressive vocabulary, and also a score of overall phonological awareness. So I want to see if expressive vocabulary is predicted by receptive vocabulary and phonological awareness. So what do these 2 things independently contribute to the change in expressive vocabulary scores across this group of children? So the first thing I need to do is just save this file. There we go, and then it's generated an output file, so I'm just going to save that as well. There we are. Alright, so to complete the regression I go Analyze, Regression, Linear. So you can see there's lots of other more complex forms of regression that you can complete, but we don't cover those in this course. So regression linear, simple linear regression. So here's the pop-up box. So I want to put expressive vocabulary score in the dependent box because that's the dependent measure that I'm interested in, and in independent variables I've put receptive vocabulary and phonological score. I just use the method enter. And if we go to statistics, I want the confidence intervals for the regression coefficients as well as the estimates of those coefficients. So for each independent variable, I want a coefficient. And I also want R-squared change. So this tells me whether or not the model contributes a significant or predicts a significant amount of change in the dependent variable. I want descriptives as well. If we look at the other options, so we leave these all set at their default values. Okay, and then we click OK. So we'll just give it a sensible name. Here we go, and oops. Phonological score is the independent variables. There we are, and interpreting all that output, you'll find that on your worksheet. And then we click save, and that's it.